Okay, so my new 12-inch Retina MacBook just came in the mail today. So go ahead and get it out. Check out the box. Check out the back. "12-inch notebook with Retina display, 1.1 gigahertz dual Intel Core M, 8 gigabytes of RAM, 256 gigabytes of onboard flash storage, blah blah blah. You get it. Let's go ahead and open it up. See what it comes with. USB-C plug. Typical book thing that Apple always gives you. And the usual Apple, well, not usual I guess, because it's USB Type-C. Go ahead and get out the little plastic envelope thing. Really small. Kind of looks like an iPad. The back of an iPad, actually, yeah. Kind of protective thing on the screen. Take it off. Go ahead and power it on.
To use English for the main language, press the return key.
Alright, gotta sign into my Wi-Fi, so stop it. Okay, so had a little trouble setting it up. It got stuck on a 5-volt encryption. Just stuck on thinking. I thought it might just maybe need a little bit more time, but it stayed on there for about 20 minutes, so I actually ended up just restarting it, and I'm back on. So here we go. Got the Retina screen. Looks really nice. Give a little props to Mac Rumors. Scrolls pretty smoothly. Only got one app running though, but still. Already got an update. iMovie. I know you've seen the Geekbench scores, but let's go ahead and install Geekbench real quick and run a test. Let's close the App Store. Let's close Safari also. Actually sold my 2012 MacBook Air to get this one. And I guess it's actually slower than the MacBook Air, than my 2012 MacBook Air. So we'll see how that goes. The USB plug is actually pretty long. No, it doesn't have that extra extender that comes with the regular MacBooks and the MacBook Airs, but it's pretty long. It's long enough, I think. Yeah, okay, so there we go. There's the results. I guess it is true. It is pretty slow, at least slower than my 2012 MacBook Air was. Maybe I should have got the 1.2 gigahertz version. Don't know, or even yet the build-to-order 1.3 gigahertz. But we'll see. We'll see how it goes. I like the laptop. I like the build. It looks nice. Very small. Take out the plug. Very thin. There's the USB-C plug. And the only other plug it has is the headphone jack. It's very small. I like it. The keys feel nice. I actually like the way the keys feel. And the Force Touch trackpad feels pretty good. But anyway, that's just a little quick unboxing and first look at the Retina MacBook.